Hi, my name's Sam Tooker. I'm a criminal defense and personal injury attorney at the law office of David R. Price Jr., PA, in Greenville, South Carolina. A lot of folks ask me, Sam, how is it you came about to practice law? How'd you get involved in this line of work? And I don't have the kind of stories that a lot of folks have. You look around, you talk to folks, a lot of people get involved in it because it's almost like a family business. Daddy, granddaddy, great-granddaddy, they were all involved. My family, we didn't have any of that, but I was always interested in those kind of proceedings. And I'll tell you, the thing that stands out most in my mind was the O.J. Simpson trial when I was in 5th grade. And I remember watching it and just being engrossed by the activities of that trial. And a lot of folks think Johnny Cochran is the sort of show stealer in that trial, but in reality, and in my estimation, the person that killed it, and the guy that I'd like to emulate more than anybody else is an attorney named F. Lee Bailey. And F. Lee Bailey, if y'all remember, is responsible for the cross-examination of Mark Furman, the detective that investigated O.J.'s case. And I remember watching that cross-examination thinking, man, I would like to do that. I would like to be like that guy. Ultimately, I ended up going to college, and college brought me here to South Carolina. My family moved around a lot. I was born in Texas, lived in Florida, lived in Georgia. But I was admitted to Furman University and came here to attend school. And once I got here, I met the woman that would later become my wife. When I graduated, I wasn't entirely sure what I wanted to do. I hadn't really thought it out all that well. And I remember talking to my family, what do you think I should do? And they're like, boy, when you were a kid, you used to always talk about being a lawyer. You like to argue. You're interested in helping people. So, why don't you look into that? And I did. I ended up going to the University of South Carolina for law school. I spent my summers working for big insurance defense, civil litigation firms. And what I realized more than anything else is that wasn't the type of practice I was interested in, primarily because I wanted to help people. I wanted to make sure that I used my career and my gifts as an opportunity and an occasion to help those folks in the community that needed assistance. My wife, very fortunately, was offered a coaching position at Furman University, which provided us with the opportunity to return to this community to work. Because I was interested in helping folks, but also because I wanted very much to learn how to try a case. I got a job with the solicitor's office in Pickens County, South Carolina, and I prosecuted everything from the most basic domestic violence cases to serious drug trafficking and child molestation and assault and battery and armed robbery cases. And there, what I learned more than anything else is that an attorney is only as good, ultimately, as his ability to communicate information to a jury and hopefully get that jury to respond to him. You can talk and you can bluster and you can act like, you're a big deal, but if you can't do it in trial, it doesn't mean anything. So ultimately, once I got to a point where I felt like I really knew what I was doing, like I was skilled enough to help folks, I started looking for an opportunity in a firm where I could assist people, where I could use what I'd learned and the skills that I'd acquired to better aid those who have issues, who've been hurt in car accidents or who've fallen down and been injured, or folks who have criminal charges and are worried about how those charges could impact their lives. Now, I made good friends with a fellow by the name of David R. Price Jr. when I was working in Pickens. He was in Easley at the time. And when I was looking to leave, I was afforded the opportunity by David to come in and help him help people. One of the reasons I was very much attracted to his firm was that it is a firm that is centered on the notion that we can do real good by real people. We can help individuals. And it's not so much about what can I get out of a case, but what can I do for the person that's come into our office. And that means a lot to me. And that was the kind of practice that I wanted to work in. And now I have that opportunity and that occasion. If you find yourself either hurt or charged with a criminal offense, you're worried about what's going to happen, please contact us. Reach out. Our phone number is 864-271-2636. You can also get us online at www.greenvillelegal.com.